This is trout. Let's clean it and cook it. Wash it first. Preheat the oven while you clean fish. Hold by the tail and clean the scales this way. See how I clean scales against the current. Now to cut it open, you start with the butthole and then go towards the head. And then remove the guts. Cut the fins off with scissors. Wash inside and outside. Put fish in the dish. Make cuts in it from both sides. Add some olive oil. Now spice it up with spices of your choice. Rub it in nicely inside and outside. Peel potatoes and cut them into wedges. Add wedges into the dish. Spice everything up with your favorite spices. I'm using chicken and potato spice. Nice, spiced and beautiful. Okay, oven is hot. Put everything in. 200 Celsius for 40 minutes. Okay, exciting time. Let's take it out. Wow, this is heavy. Wow, let's see. Oh my god, look how soft it is. Cooked perfectly. Potatoes are soft. Mushrooms. But the fish, it did not get overcooked at all. Put some parsley on top. Nice. Trout service. Alright, what we got here is beautiful, tasty, steamy and delicious trout dinner with mushrooms, potatoes and broccoli. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.